Timmy time! Timmy, it's Timmy. He's the little lamb with a lot to learn. Timmy, it's Timmy. He's a handful of trouble at every turn. Timmy leaves the farm and goes out into the world, trying to be cool. He's #1. He joins all his friends on the big adventure, and he's always having such a lot of fun. A lot of fun! Timmy, it's Timmy. He's the little lamb with a lot to learn. Timmy, it's Timmy. He's a handful of trouble at every turn, and he's always having such a lot of fun. A lot of fun! Timmy, it's Timmy. He's the little lamb with a lot to learn. It's Timmy time!
Oh, yeah.
Kate was at the top of the pack.
Looks like we're eating caribou tonight, boys.
Yes!
Woo!
Humphrey was at the bottom of the heap.
Get your butt out of my face!
Kate is hot. Humphrey, you know the rules. She's an alpha, and you're an omega.
We can eat together.
But we can't, you know, how together.
Okay.
Now, they're both about to be stuck in the middle
Set him free.
of nowhere.
Idaho?
Idaho?
You were relocated to, repopulate.
Oh, sounds good to me.
No.
This fall,
I'd have to get back to Jasper Park, Canada.
Quick, get in.
Come on.
they have nothing in common
What's wrong with you?
I have to go.
Can't you hold it?
No, I can't.
and no clue what they're in for.
Hey there.
You're totally weird. Don't move. We can handle this.
We can.
Okay, I just went.
Come on.
Kate!
But together, they just might discover
Grab my tail! Oh, my tail!
everything they need.
You know, we make a pretty good team.
We do.
Lionsgate and Crest Animation present
That's Sly Dog.
a whole new breed of adventure
Dog, trust me.
Yes!
I told you could trust me.
in eye-popping 3D.
Oh, no. Ow, again with the butts.
Alpha and Omega.
I am not afraid of wolves. Quick, look behind you. Watch this.
Now available on DVD. Thomas fans won't believe their eyes. Thomas ventures to a new island in the action-packed adventure Misty Island Rescue.
Cranky! Salty, look! That must be Misty Island!
Some say there are strange engines that live there.
The engines are working hard to build the Soda Search and Rescue Center, and just in time, as Thomas is lost.
Fizzling fireboxes! The chain to the steamboat has snapped! Help!
The engines must find their missing friend,
I've been all over, sir. There's no sign of Thomas.
and Thomas meets 3 new friends.
I'm Thomas. Who are you? I'm Bash. I'm Dash.
And I'm Ferdinand.
We live here!
Join Thomas and friends as they discover the mysteries of Misty Island in Misty Island Rescue. Now available on DVD.
Guess who's taking her next steps on DVD?
I'm Angelina Ballerina.
Join Angelina at her new performing arts school, Camembert Academy, where she discovers new friends, new music, and new dance styles like hip-hop, jazz, and tap. Take center stage with Angelina Ballerina and her friends in her new DVD, Love to Dance. Available now!
For your convenience, this DVD has been enhanced with HiT Entertainment's autoplay. Your program and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically. To bypass autoplay, select the main menu button at any time. Your feature presentation will begin in a moment. Enjoy.